Hi everyone. Today I just want to come on and tell you that I will be doing a nature walk with me and the family later on. When I first started, well, when we first started this Hanging with the Shoemaker page, I have put in the description box there will be a variety of things you'll be seeing on this page. One including my weight loss journey. Later on, I will be doing a video, about my weight journey specifically, but I might as well give you a little insight to, about this video today. I have always been overweight from kid, obviously to adult, and it's always been a struggle. And over the last couple of years, my health has gotten worse to the point where I was forced to really do something about my weight, which like over the years I have been on diets and lost weight and then gained it back and lost weight and then gained it back. And so last couple of years I had a health condition scare what almost took me out of here. And so that's when I knew I really needed to get buckled down and get serious. So like I said, later on I will be doing a video specifically about my weight loss, but today I want to let you guys know that I'll be taking you along with me and the family as we go on a nature walk today. The weather is finally getting beautiful, where I can get out and walk like I want to. I'm exercising, we have a gym at our home, but it's when the weather is nice, I like to get out and walk and just get fresh air and just get my exercise in that way. So I'll be talking to you guys later. I just want to give you insight what this upcoming video will be about. So I'll be seeing you guys a little later. Talk to you later, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, we are finally here at the park. There's Malik. There's Dad.
Hey everyone.
And where's Jordan at? We are here at the park and we're about to start the nature walk. This is the park. You're going to see a variety of different things. You see people walking dogs.
Running.
What's that, Malik?
You're seeing a lot of people running too.
Running?
Mm-hmm.
What about you?
Yeah, people running. You might even see a few
So one being good and being
wild
bad.
animals as well. So don't be surprised if we have a few captures of it. Hello. Last time we were here, which was not too long ago, we happened to see a deer.
Or two.
Yes. Yeah, we happened to see. Yeah, it was 2 years. Yes. But we'll see what happens during this walk.
Okay, guys. We back. Okay, guys. We're about to start this trail. We're reading something right now saying the trees are affected by oak wilt on this trail that we're walking on. So we want to make sure that we don't, go on that trail.
So the Wildwood Preserve was recently surveyed, and a number of oak trees are affected with the oak wilt disease. Okay, which I'm going to Google that in a few minutes. This disease is an invasive fungus that prevents water from reaching the tree's leaves. Oak wilt only affects oak trees. White oaks are moderately resistant, but red, black, and pink oaks will unfortunately die with a single season. Okay, I think that's enough.
I think so too. That's a lot of interesting knowledge on it. We're trying to decide what trail we want to walk on.
I don't think that one
Which one?
on the right. I don't know about this one. It might ran through some oak.
Yeah, you might.
Yeah, everybody look.
You can see some runners too. I ain't got there yet, guys. I will get there. One day I'll get there.
This is frightening.
Right now, I gotta go with the walking. I make the goals. I gotta make the weight goals. Once I make the weight goals, then I'll be doing that up there.
We'll be running again. Matching jumpsuits. How's that?
That's good.
That works?
Look at this wood of this tree. Trees like this, big branches. It's all these trees that get broke down by storms. And it rains a lot.
First time when it storms, we get those thunderstorms and high winds. First thing, this is more of a two-sided park. Earlier, before we started walking, we said that there's two sections to the park. The other side over there is the actual park. That's where people kind of go out, bring their kids, barbecue, you know, things of that.
Run off some of that energy after school.
Yes.
I had like a stressful day and I just need to put on.
So the way you walking that glider, I'm sure this trail.
You heard that?
This trail wouldn't do it. Yeah, did pretty good. Hey, how you folks doing?
Man?
Hey, how's it
You
going?
all right,
How's it going, man?
Long time no see.
It's good to see you, man. Yo, no doubt, man.
Okay.
Good to see you, man.
All right.
God bless.
Whoever the disability you are. Did you hear from moving? It was something black moving.
Well, it would.
Yeah.
Hopefully, one no raccoons don't. You definitely don't want it to be a skunk.
No, you don't. I think, I've never technically seen one, son, but your mom has.
And found it.
You smoked it?
Yep.
Hello.
It sprayed our Greyhound bus. 2 of them sprayed it.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, that smell was terrible.
Terrible.
Yeah. It was in the summertime. It was like back in the 90s where the heat used to be like 93, you know what I mean, in the 1990s, 91. And we went to Atlanta. And we hit something. But something. I don't know what we hit. And we had the air conditioner on. So all of a sudden, it was like 5-10 minutes later, this smell came stronger to the vents, you know, on the bus. And everybody knew then what he had hit. And he said, sorry everybody, I think I hit 2 skunks. Lord, I'm trying to tell you that
2 of them.
smell, he hit 2 of them.
Oh, wow.
They sprayed the bottom, the side, everything on the bus.
Skunks was working together, wasn't it?
Yeah, and it was like 93 degrees outside, so
gosh.
you know that smell was
Yeah, that there had to be something.
yeah. I told him to stop, let me off.
Yeah.
That's something I'll never forget.
Well, everyone, we have completed our little journey here as far as our little.
This is where we began here.
Yes.
We walked in, guys, and seen this area. So we walked around the whole park. There's more people that came out after work. See, we have came to the end of our nature walk here, you know, and I feel good. How y'all feel?
I feel excellent.
I'm not tired or nothing. So this is just the first of many nature walks that we're gonna be doing. As you can see now, the park needs got full because a lot of people that got off work and school and came to the park because it's a nice day to come up to the park. So it do feel good, don't it?
Yes, it does.
So thank you for coming along with us on this nature walk. And until next time, we'll see you. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
God bless.
Jordan. That's
And don't
Jordan.
forget to subscribe.
Say it again, Malik.
Don't forget to subscribe.
I tell you, my boy. Bye, everybody.